This video shows unboxing of my first freshly meals, and I will also show you the first meal, at least show pictures of the first meal. Okay, here's my freshly pack. Nice hard thing, okay. Ooh. So I have Sicilian style pepperoni parmesan. Those the two, same thing. Have another big pack of ice. Nice. My peppercorn steak. In fact, I'm going to eat that right now. And the super pesto and sausage penne. Okay, I've served some not so good responses about that on Facebook. Some people were talking bad about it, but I'll try it and we'll see. Okay, let's see. There's ice. That's all. Yeah. Boy, these blocks of ice are really still hard. So. Okay, when I first took it out of the sleeve, it looked a mess. I didn't like the way this looked. It looked mushy. I was very disappointed. But sometimes you can't totally judge a book by its cover. Even after taking it out of the microwave, it still looked bad. The mashed potatoes were soggy. It just didn't look appealing whatsoever. But I thought I'd try it first. After plating, it looked much better, but still, the mushrooms still didn't look very appealing. The steak didn't have the nice looking grill marks in it, but I thought I'd try it before complaining. I was totally surprised. The mashed potatoes were outstanding, very tasty. The same with the steak and the carrots, very seasoned very well. This is not a sponsored video. I paid my own money. I got a link off of YouTube, someone else's YouTube video. I will leave a link also, and you can get $40 off on, I think the first two, well, $20 off on two of your first boxes, $20 a piece, so it's a total of $40 if you're interested. But it's worth trying. Very tasty, but again, it doesn't look like much, but it totally blew me away. I was surprised. It also very easy to prepare.